So I've partnered up with Robosen UK to give away this 16-inch, 1.8 kilogram piece of Autobot awesomeness. It is the Robosen Elite Optimus Prime, and it retails for 700 British pounds at the time of this video. And if you want to win, stick around to the end of the video and I will show you how. And as you can see, this is no ordinary Optimus Prime. This is a voice-activated Optimus Prime, which you can remote control from your phone. And there's an action library pre-programmed into this, and you can get the app for iOS or Android. There's a built-in power amplifier, so there's actually pretty good speakers in here, I'm told. Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and multi-channel electric lighting, so his headlights and everything will work. And then inside we do have a 12,000 milliamp hour battery. Apparently that will run for 55 minutes, and when it runs down you need to recharge it for 55 minutes to get it back to 100%. So this is a really nice bit of kit, and as you can see, it comes with an impact absorbent carry case with little catches at the side and a good carry handle on top. So first out of the box we do have Prime's blaster and his Energon axe. Quick start guide, user manual and stickers. Welcome to a dream come true. Got the power lead, a micro USB-C cable for connecting this to a computer, Optimus Prime's exhaust vent attachments. Here is the man himself, or should I say machine. And I'm not sure if I got my pronouns right, but I'm assuming he is a he. Whoa.
Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
Hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Whoa. So this right here is the elite version of Optimus Prime from Robosen, who are a company who are determined to combine real robots with real AI, and one day maybe they'll be able to change the world. But right now you'll be happy to know we are still fully in control, and in fact you can even program this to do whatever you want. It does have voice recognition, and you can program in your own custom actions if you know what you're doing. And one thing that's really important to know is that the weaponry that's provided and that Prime can wield is plastic. But one day if things really kick off and we start to see evil Decepticons, you'll want to memorize these words. Bar weep, grana weep, minibomb.
See, the universal greeting works every time.
Trust me, memorize that and you'll be all right. Hey Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Bar weep, grana weep, ninibomb. And at this point in time, Optimus doesn't know what that means. So Robosen, you need to add that to the dictionary. So my first thoughts on the weight and build quality of this from Robosen is it immediately screams premium. You definitely get your money's worth when it comes to those areas. And if you ever get to actually hold one of these, or maybe even win this particular one, you'll realize straight away that this is a sturdy robot. It's not flimsy and hollow like some of the others. And that brings me on to something that I want to show you. This right here is Wheeljack. And I've had Wheeljack for a little while. My friend gave me this a while ago and I was wondering why. And I pretty quickly found out why, because this particular transformer is impossible to transform. And actually, I spent hours and hours trying to figure it out until I resorted to finding a YouTube video on how to do it. I kid you not, it took me around 4 hours of fiddling with this thing. And once I did transform it into the Mustang that it is, I pretty quickly decided that it looks better in robot form, and now I'm back to square one. And that's what makes this robot from Robosen so epic, is you don't have to worry about that at all. Hey Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
transform. And there we go. And it's all locked together really sturdy as well. I thought maybe it would come apart quite easily in your hands once it's transformed, but it doesn't. So the Robosen Elite Optimus Prime actually has 58 microchips on board which help coordinate its movements. It's got 5,000 parts to it and 27 motors. It really is a technological masterpiece. So here's a couple of interesting facts about Optimus Prime. Did you know that the Transformers was originally a Marvel comic book? Yes, that Marvel, the same one that created Captain America, Iron Man and all that. Look it up, 1984. And also, did you know that this robot right here wasn't originally known as Optimus Prime? His original name was Orion Pax, and he got busted up by Megatron and then repaired and upgraded. And then he inherited the Matrix from the then Autobots leader, Alpha Trion. And with a tech upgrade like that, of course, the name needed upgrading too. And what a name it is, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Now, when it comes to the sound quality coming from this robot, I have to say I'm very impressed. The voice is in fact the original voice actor for Optimus Prime, Peter Cullen. And his voice acting was actually inspired by his brother, who was a decorated US Marine. He told him, don't be Hollywood, just be strong and gentle at the same time in your voice acting. And that's what you get here from Optimus. And my initial first impressions of the Elite Optimus Prime from Robosen is this might be the coolest thing I've ever seen. And something is for certain, if you're a Transformers collector or Transformers fan, this will light up your darkest hour, I could assure you that. And I have to be honest with you, I really don't want to give this away, but I did tell Robosen I would, so I have to be a man of my words. So if you want to win this, all you need to do is screenshot your favorite part of this video, then post it to Twitter with the hashtag Elite Optimus Prime, tag me at What Gear Reviews, tag at Robosen UK, and also tag one of your friends. And that's it. You're now in it to win it. One shall rise and one shall fall. And it's me who's falling because I have to give this away. So maybe it'll be you who rises and wins the Elite Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Hey Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
roll out. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Let's roll.
No.
Left elbow is stuck. Left hand is stuck. Right elbow is stuck.
Jeez.
Right hand is stuck.